skippers, we're talking about structural stability still. Now I'm going to show you some different structures. We looked at some of our projects and the difference between the base and the upright and how we're supporting them. Now I'm going to show you some of the basics in construction of a house or a building or an apartment building, anything like that. First of all, in here we have to go into the crawl space. So this is the crawl space in here. Why is it called a crawl space and how do I know that? Because the sign says crawl space and they put a picture of a baby crawling. So now we're going to go into the abyss of the underneath of the house and take a look. Come on with me.
Go.
All right. So now we're in the crawl space. We're going to take a look at a few things. I have no idea why they call it a crawl space. Do you know? Okay. In construction, just like with your telephone stand and a clock, there's standard things that need to happen. Remember all of our measuring that we've done. In a standard house, the studs that hold the walls up are a standard 16 inches apart. So if you look there, you can see the 16. Okay. Now, we're going to do the same thing here. These are the floor joists. And if you look there, you get the same thing. That is the standard width that designing and engineering has come up with for the different types of materials, so when you actually build the walls. This goes the whole length of the underneath of the house. Because the span is so big going across, think about your bridges and everything else, they've had to put pillars in to actually support it for the length of the run. So if we go ahead and take a look over there, we can see the pillars that are in the construction. And then if you look on the outside walls, that's part of your foundation. And if you look down, that's your base for your foundation. All of this ensures that everything they build on top is strong enough. Thank you, and I'll see you in the shop. All right, so now we've looked at the bones of a house. That goes for the same for these walls and this ceiling. Everything in there, the support, are 16 inches apart to support the boards that is the actual finish for the ceiling. Thank you, and we'll see you in the shop.